Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and if this is not your first time, I know you may not recognize me under all this colorful makeup, but I promise it's me. It's me, Jenny. Thank you so much for being back. You truly have no idea how much I appreciate it. So I am so excited for today's video because, I mean, if you can't tell, today's video is bright, it's bold, and it's daring. I have not created a makeup look like this in a very long time, so I am very excited. And of course, to create this look, I will be using none other than this is the NikkieTutorials collaboration with Beauty Bay. I haven't had a palette this colorful and this fun, honestly, I think ever. I really don't ever think I've had a palette that is this colorful and this fun. I am a huge NikkieTutorials fan. I love her so much. So when I heard about this collaboration, immediately I'm like, yes, must have. Like, my brain right away was like, how do I get my hands on this? And since this is a limited time collaboration, this isn't like a forever, this is going to be around forever kind of palette. I really wanted to make sure I got my hands on it. So I'm so happy that I did. And I mean, let me show you guys the inside because stop it right now. Like Aria, my daughter, would say, wow. Really? Could she be more beautiful? I don't think so. I feel like today's entire look came together and it looks very 80s. I didn't do it on purpose, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking at myself in the camera. I'm like, yes, I love it. So for today's video, I'm going to pretty much show you step by step exactly how I got this eye makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I stared at this palette for like 2 full days because I was just so overwhelmed with all the different combinations I can do. And of course, then I decided to start with the most neutral color in the entire palette. This color is called Mila, and it is just a very neutral, very warm, really pretty light brown color. The pigment was absolutely amazing. It blended very easily. I love this color. I can see me hitting pan on this color very quickly. So I'm just pretty much applying this with a windshield wiper back and forth motion throughout my crease. Little by little, I start to diffuse it upward, closer to my brow bone. Not getting to the brow bone, but getting a little bit closer to it and winging out the corners just a tiny bit. I also went ahead and I started to tie in this color and blend it into my nose contour. I love the way that looks. I feel like it makes my eyes look very sultry. So that's something that this color worked really well for. Next, I'm going in with the other brown, which is called a 5 a.m. And this is a little bit deeper brown. It's a little bit more chocolate. It's not too dark, in my opinion. It's a really good, solid chocolate brown color. And I'm going to be repeating pretty much what I did with the other color. However, I'm going to focus this a little bit more on the outer corner of the crease. And I'm not going to bring it, for right now, I'm not going to bring it in too much to the inner corner of the eye. This eyeshadow, for some reason, there was a point where I was having a little bit of a hard time blending it. I think it was the brush that I was using because eventually I go back and switch the brushes and I did notice a difference. However, I did feel like blending out Mila was a tiny bit easier. The color has amazing pigment. All of these eyeshadows have amazing pigment. I mean, to be honest with you, I expected nothing less from NikkieTutorials. So I'm like really happy with the pigment in these eyeshadows. So now to smoke out the look a little bit more, I'm going to be using the color Redemption. And you guys, I love this color so much. I loved it a lot more than I was expecting. It is an orangey color, but it is not at all overwhelming with the orange. It is absolutely perfect. I love the tone. I loved using it to do exactly what I'm doing here, which is just diffusing and blending out all the colors. It was absolutely one of my favorite colors, to my surprise. Next, I'm going to go back into that brown color again, which is 5 a.m. This time I switched out to a fluffier brush and I noticed that the color blended out much easier than the first time around. Now I want to go ahead and start deepening everything up. And now is when I'm going to start to get a little bit closer to the inner corner of my eyes. Before I was focused a little bit more on just the outer corner. Now I'm bringing in the color just a little bit more. Since I knew I wanted to do some sort of exaggerated cut crease, I did bring this color pretty close to the inner corner of my brows because when I do a cut crease, I've noticed that for it to look much more intense the way I wanted it to, doing this really helps me. All right, there it is. There's the cut crease. So now, you guys, I'm going to go into this amazing green color, and this is called Ew. The name of this color is so much fun. I absolutely love it. And look at this pigment, you guys. Look at this color. It is spectacular. I am using a flatter brush and I am tapping the color pretty much everywhere that I have the concealer, which is the cut crease. I'm tapping this throughout. I do this in tapping motion so that I can get more pigment. If I were to blend it out or smudge it out, I would just take a lot more time for me to get the pigment that I want. But this color did not disappoint. It was absolutely beautiful on the palette and it's absolutely beautiful on the eyes as well. I loved it. So now I'm just going to pretty much continue to go back into it and continue to pack on the color until I get the brightness that I want. Look at that color. I mean, yes. Okay, now I'm going to go into this beautiful shimmery color. This is called NikkieTutorials, which is so sweet. I love it. And I'm going to put this with my finger. I'm just going to place this in the middle center of the cut crease. I didn't want to put this everywhere because I didn't want to lose all of the green, all of the ew. So I pretty much just focused it on the middle part of my eye. Now I'm going to go in and do a wing liner following the shape of the cut crease. By the way, this eyeliner has quickly become my favorite. This is the new eyeliner from Makeup by Mario. I did a video using his new line. So if you guys want to go and check it out, I did a video last week. But this eyeliner is absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. It glides on so easily. That's the part about this eyeliner that completely blows me away. It glides on so quickly and it has so much pigment right away. Oh yes, time for lashes. Can't forget our lashes. Boom! Y'all regress you with your little tricks. Alrighty guys, so next I'm going to go into this delicious bubblegum pink. It is called Blend and Snap. I love that. So I'm just going to use a pencil brush and I'm going to run this throughout my lash line, smoking it out a little bit and dragging it down just a little tiny bit. Now I do go back and forth a couple of times to make it a lot more pigmented. And to follow up, I'm going to be using the color Slasher, and then with a flat smudging brush, I'm going to run this very close to my lash line to make the color just pop and look a little bit more intense. I love the combination of these two colors. It's spectacular. I loved it. Yeah. It's so funny to go back and see my excited face in the video. So now I'm going to go into this color, which is called the Voix. And you guys, this color had me so excited. This is bright yellow. And I knew right away, yes, girl. I knew that right away I wanted to use this color for my inner corner. And I am so happy that I did. It looked amazing. I'm using a small pencil brush to be as precise as possible. And I did go back and forth probably 4 or 5 times to make the color very pigmented. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful color All In. And when I first swatched this color, it honestly took my breath away. It is a beautiful yellow gold color that I am obsessed with. So I popped that just in the inner corner to just give it that little bit of a reflective look. Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. What do we think? How'd I do? I absolutely love the final result. Creating this look was both so fun, also so petrifying. It has been a very long time, very long time since I've used this many colors in my makeup, this many bold colors in my makeup. So I was like, there was a couple of moments there where I was completely terrified, but I pulled through and I'm just so happy. I absolutely love the look. It's giving me, like, I feel like my whole vibe is giving me like these 80s feel and I absolutely love it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up to let me know you like it. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.